Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, guys. Tesla earnings tonight, guys. Big day. Going to be the storyline, I think, of today. Let's go ahead and get into it. How's everybody? Hopefully, everybody had a good Tuesday evening, guys. Had an awesome day yesterday. Really, really pleased with how the day went. Netflix did beat earnings after hours, guys, and is over that 210 level. But yeah, absolutely nailed a lot of the coin Mara Riot trades yesterday. So like I said, very, very pleased with how that went. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, BTC looks good. Having some resistance in this 24K area. Remember, guys, we've ran really hard these last 2 days, really, in terms of the Bitcoin names. So for me, it's just kind of sitting back, watching and waiting today. That's my biggest thing is yesterday. The 2 times I got faked out were right off the open, guys. So coming into today, really my plan is to sit back and wait at least the first 30 to 45 minutes before entering anything, at least into that 10-15 candle. I want to see how Netflix eventually kind of plays out. I'm not planning on playing the flush here immediately off open. I would consider it if we see a move down to 208. But still, I would much rather wait that first 30 minutes before taking anything here, guys. So I will be watching Netflix. Remember, guys, 216 is really that big level to get over. Once we get over 216, I think we can really get back into, possibly a move to 230, 240. But like I said, in the meantime, guys, today's really just a day to sit back, watch, and be patient for me. So I did take profits on my BTBT overnight, 11% gains there. Nice daily candle that got printed, but took profits. Overnight update, Riot and Coin are the two. I'm probably going to take the majority of my profits off of the open. Nice daily candle for Riot. It does have a lot of room up, guys, but personally, I'd rather kind of take some profits off the open and then kind of evaluate and then go from there. So that's my plan on Riot. Coin, same deal, right? I'd rather just kind of lock some gains in on the 80s and then kind of go from there. Yeah, I could make a PDF of that. I definitely have a list for sure. So yeah, Coin is definitely one that I am going to be watching still today. However, like I mentioned, guys, really just it's a kind of sit back and wait day for me. A couple of my top focus setups off the open, guys. Again, first hour or so, definitely going to be watching PayPal. If we look here, guys, we have a really clear zone above this 78 level. So into the 78.50 and 78.78 level, guys, I'm definitely going to be watching for a move to the upside into that 83 to 84 range. This is kind of teetering with that gap down area from the beginning of June. So that is definitely going to be an area that I'm watching, guys. As far as focus setups go outside of this, like I said, this should offer a nice opportunity to the downside as well. If we reject off of this 78.5 area, guys, it should be a nice downside move into the 74, 75 level. So I'm definitely going to be watching PayPal. A couple other names that I am going to keep an eye on today. UPST, slightly green in pre-market, guys. I really, really, really want to pay attention to a 28.69 break. That is this area of resistance, and if we can get above that, we can see a large upside move. I did take some overnight lottos with D-Book on the 32s here, and like I said, guys, this is like fits into the sector of the low volume melt up names, right? It's like what you're seeing with BYND. Like look at BYND these past few days, guys, right? This thing has just been an absolute monster. It's up 100% off lows, right? This is a perfect illustration of how these stocks can move when it only, like this thing traded 3 million in volume yesterday, right? So somebody can sit in the bid with 10 or 12 million dollars and bid this thing up, and it just runs, 20% in 2-day span, right? So every dip getting soaked on these lower volume names. UPST, similar volume, and definitely a similar setup in terms of kind of the range that it's having. So personally, I think that this could kind of be next. I'll be looking at next week's calls here over that 28.69 level. And remember, guys, like I said, there's still not enough liquidity for these higher volume names to be squeezing yet. But like I said, these lower volume names will be the first ones to go. And then once those squeeze out, I think they'll come into the higher volume names. Beautiful. BTC making new highs as we speak. I'm really targeting 25K here, guys, on BTC. I mean, clear breakout. Doesn't get much simpler than that. I think that 25K psych level is a good area to look at, like maybe a larger resistance, but definitely going to be watching there, guys. I do want to cover QQQ quickly. QQQ reclaimed its 50-day 50-day moving average yesterday, guys. And we are filling this gap to the upside, right? So now that we filled that gap to 298.30, it really looks like, to me, we're going to try to test that 313 level, right? Now, remember, we're going to face some fierce resistance at 302 because there's a lot of resistance from that consolidation period before the meltdown, right? So really where I want to talk about, looking for a next target is that 302.31 area. If we cannot get over 208.30, that's where we may see a bit more of a downside push. And remember, the key level to watch here is this 296 level. We've talked about this a lot, but there is no longer a triple top on this chart at 296, right? We've moved through that level, busted through 296, and now are into that 298.30 level. So really, like I said, guys, Q's definitely long side bias still for me. Coinbase making a nice move up to the 68 level right now, as well as a lot of the BTC names are moving nicely. So again, I want to take some profits on these overnights off open, and then chill, and then analyze from there, right? Today is a day to be patient, especially with Tesla earnings after hours. Patience. That's what I want from today. I will mention, Hugh Henney will be on the live voice with us at 10:15 this morning until 11 o'clock. He'll be talking some SPY. He'll be talking a few other things. We're just going to be sitting on there kind of going over market analysis, talking some psychology from that standpoint as well, guys, as it relates to the trades. And like I said, guys, it's been an amazing week so far. Been an amazing couple of days, and yesterday was really fire. So like I said, I'm looking to continue the momentum today. So peeking over back green on the Qs, back into market open here, guys. Again, coin moving nicely, going for that 68 level, BTC going for that 29K level. Again, my plan on Riot Coin, lock profits off open, and then reevaluate into that 10:15 hour. So that's my plan today, guys. I'm really today the market feels like a good day to be extra patient, so I don't have a ton of off open focus setups here. I'm just sitting back and waiting for the trade to come to me today. So I will see you guys on live voice with Hugh Henney. I'll be on there in about 5 minutes, guys, so I'll see you at the open. Peace.